Are y'all tired of using the same flavor profile like Mexican, Italian, and Greek? I know I am, so to change things up, let's head to Morocco for some inspiration. Hey folks, my name is Joyce Manalo, Certified Health Coach. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits, and cooking at home is a great way to elevate your nutrition. This is episode 10 of the Herb Basics series, where we'll be making our 5th herb sauce, okay? And it's with cilantro, parsley, and mint. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to make Chermoula sauce, which is really great for lamb, chicken, seafood, and roasted veg. Allons-y, let's go. What you're gonna need is a food processor, a spatula, I have that at all times, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, a few spices, so 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Now these are 4 cloves of garlic that have been roasted. If you don't have roasted garlic on hand, no worries, you can use 3 fresh garlic cloves. And then this is a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and a few strands of saffron. And this is definitely optional, okay? This is half a cup of fresh mint leaves that I actually plucked off my garden. Then we have 1 cup of flat leaf parsley that's packed in, and 2 cups of cilantro that's packed in. This recipe was adapted from Food and Wine. And just like chimichurri sauce, Chermoula has many different variations. If you're curious about the chimichurri recipe, link is above and in the description below. And I picked this recipe specifically because it uses 3 herbs and a lot of Moroccan spices. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. Thanks for letting me promote. Let's go ahead and build this herb sauce. So let's start with our olive oil. Lemon juice, then our spices, our mint leaves, our parsley. Okay, just smush them down. And it's okay because this is all going to wilt down into little pieces, okay? And I almost forgot, let's put in some salt. So 2 pinches would be fine. All right, let's go ahead and process this. Spatula to make sure that everything is being combined and processed really well. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, I blended this up real good. So the leaves should be processed really small. Okay, and there you go. That's our Chermoula sauce. Let's go in for a taste test. I have a pan-seared shrimp right here, and I'm dipping it into this Chermoula sauce. Wow, my taste buds are definitely Morocco. All the herbs are mixed in together so uniquely. Very interesting flavor, and it's definitely something that's out of the box from Mexican, Italian, and Greek. I highly recommend this sauce. I hope your taste buds are inspired to take a trip to Morocco with this herb sauce called Chermoula. And just like some of my herb sauces, you can thin it up with some water to make it into a marinade or a dressing. Let me know how you end up using Chermoula in the comments below, okay? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy. Catch y'all at the next episode.